This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an employer identification number online. This essential 9-digit number, often called an EIN, is like a social security number for your business, identifying it to the Internal Revenue Service. Understanding its purpose is the first step before you even begin the application process. It is crucial for businesses hiring employees, operating as a corporation or partnership, or filing certain tax returns. Knowing why you need one will help clarify the next steps. Before applying, ensure you are the designated responsible party for your business. This means you have the authority to manage and control the entity. You must also possess a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Only businesses operating within the United States or its territories are eligible for this online application. Confirming your eligibility saves time and avoids application delays, so check these requirements thoroughly. To apply, visit the official Internal Revenue Service website and locate the online EIN application. You will be prompted to answer questions about your business structure, such as whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Be sure to have all necessary information prepared beforehand, including your legal business name, current address, and the responsible party's Social Security number. Remember, the online session will automatically expire after 15 minutes of inactivity, so work efficiently and have everything organized. Many applicants make simple mistakes that lead to delays. You can avoid these by carefully reviewing your application. Ensure all details, like your business name and address, are perfectly accurate before submission. Do not apply for a second EIN if your business simply changes its name or physical address, as this is usually unnecessary. Remember, the system allows only one EIN application per responsible party per day, so take your time and get it right the first time for a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.